Hi everybody, this is Jo, and I just wanted to go through something that I've found over the last couple of years. Since the lockdown, I've really got into hand-dyed yarns. But one of the things that I found was this strange device called a sock blank, and I'd never heard of this before. And it's basically this. This is one by a lady, Irish artisan yarn. And I think you can guess where she is based, or where they are based. And this is a sock blank, and I decided to give it a go because I'd seen these and thought, well, that's interesting. What does it do? What is a sock blank? And basically, it is a pre-knitted piece of fabric, piece of wool, and this one is 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon. So it's ideal for socks, anything that you want a bit harder wearing with the nylon. And what you do is you take out the red strand there, and then you have 2 strands of 4-ply yarn. And if you want to make a pair of socks, then it's a way of being able to do so and having the variegated yarn be identical on each one. So as you can create 2 balls of wool, 2 balls of yarn from that, one of each strand. See, it just comes undone like ordinary knitting, and you just strand these up, ball these up. So you've got 2 socks, and then you can just work from each strand and make an identical pair of socks because they've been painted in the identical pattern. The other thing you could do is you could keep them together and to create sort of double knit thickness of yarn, and that will allow you then, you see how the 2 strands there are identical, so you'd be able to make something with double knit, or you can, and then you can just work straight from the sock blank. You don't even need to ball anything up there. But I'm going to be making a shawl, and so what I'm going to do is make a ball with each separate strand, and then make the shawl for me. So I just wanted to share that with you because sock blanks can seem like quite a scary thing, but they're not. So give them a go. They're really beautiful, and it gives you a chance to see the colours laid out. They don't work up like that when you work them up in whatever design you do. They don't work up in that pattern. They work up differently, but they are beautiful. So don't be frightened of them. Give it a go. As a nice little ending to this video, I thought it would be lovely for you to see the wool balled up. So that's the ball coming from the Irish artisan yarns. Beautiful. It's so soft and squidgy. And then this is it being worked up into a shawl. So you can see the colours. It's not as it is on the sock blank. So beautiful. So as I said, don't be afraid of them. Give it a go. Thank you.